Sutra 33. Maitri Karuna Mudito Pekshanam Sukha Dukha Punya Vishayanam Bhavanata Chitta Prasadanam. So, Maitri is cordiality. So, if somebody is happy, let us have cordial friendship with him. That I am glad that you are happy. Instead of envying him or her, we should have the inner and outward, inner and external happiness with that, and cordial happiness, Maitri. And if our neighbor is unhappy for something or the other, so we should develop a real compassion for him, karuna. If the neighbor is doing some good work, meritorious work, then we should express our inner mudita, inner happiness over it. That I am glad that he is doing such a wonderful job and he is so honest. It's a matter of great joy for us, for all of us. So it is mudita. And if somebody is doing unrighteous act all the time, let us not be interested in it. Let us have ignorance. Let us have indifference towards that. Let us not be interested even in that. So, Maitri, Karuna, Mudita, Upekshanam, Sukha Dukha Punya Vishayanam, Bhavanata Chitta Prasadanam. So by so doing, one can bring about perfect, peaceful and blissful state of mind. And that mind will always be a happy mind. So that's what it is, Chitta Prasadanam. So this is a very good advice, and this is called Parikarma. And the next Sutra 34, that gives another option for bringing about the cessation of the movements of mind. Prachardana vidharanabhyang va pranasya. This is 34. That by releasing, exhaling, prachardana, by exhaling the wind, internal wind, vital energy, by exhaling as well as sustaining the vital energy in the sutras, one could have control over the cessation, or one could accomplish the cessation of the movements of mind. Prachardana vidharanabhyang va pranasya. That is 34. And Sutra 35 and 36 are very, very practical sutras. They bring us to the practical aspect of yogic practice. विषयवती वा प्रवृत्ति उत्पन्ना मनसा स्थिति निबंधनी विषयवती वा प्रवृत्ति उत्पन्ना मनसा स्थिति निबंधनी. So, when you start meditation, the first thing to appear during your meditation is the object of senses in general, and including the anahata nada, that is sound, unbeaten sound. Generally, sound is produced after beating something, after you click the strings of a guitar, of a tanpura, then the sound is produced, or harmonium. But there is a sound which is automatic, which does not need any play on the strings whatsoever. So that is Vishayavati va pravritti utpanna. When during your meditation you have inward appearance of the objects of comparison, of objects of senses. For example, this anahata nada is there. There is a light. You experience that light also. So that is also an object of senses. So when that comes, that also plays its role in stabilizing your mind. Manasa sthiti nibandhani. That also leads to the stabilization of your mind, mental movements. Or vishoka va jyotishmati. That also manasa sthiti nibandhani pravritti utpanna manasa sthiti nibandhani. So this, the appearance of special inner light, also manasa sthiti nibandhani, that also controls, that also accomplishes the cessation of the movements of mind. And then, so these are also one of the devices for accomplishment of cessation of movements of mind. And there are further optional devices mentioned in the following sutras. Vitaraga vishayang va chittam. If you meditate on mind of someone who has controlled his attachment or hatred. So vitaraga vishayang va chittam. So if you concentrate your mind, how to concentrate on mind, but to concentrate on that person